Hey guys, welcome back to Electrical Car Repair Live. Our mission at the garage is to save you guys as much money as we can. That's why we make these absolutely free videos and we teach you how to fix your car for free. Let's go ahead and start on it now. In today's video guys, we're going to be working here on a BMW guys 3 Series generation 2005 to 2013, and we will discuss a common problem with the heater and the blower motor. Now, as you know, that's a pretty weak spot on some BMWs. If you try guys to adjust your fan or your heater fan on your 3 Series BMW, okay, and you pump it up, I just don't have the key right now, but you pump the fan up, but the speed of the fan on the display changes, but the actual speed, you don't feel it blowing more from the vents. It doesn't change. And what could cause that? Okay, that's the weak spot right there guys. This is a blower motor resistor, and we'll show you guys where it's located, how to find it, and what it looks like. Now let me just remind you that we'll have more than 200 videos taking this car apart, so please guys, subscribe to the channel, and if you need help with anything, drop a comment below. We'll try to make a video for you. So this is the blower motor resistor right here. This thing is mounted on the bottom side of the fan, of the blower fan, the one for the heater, on the very bottom. And where it's located? It's located behind and kind of underneath the glove box of your car. Okay, now we'll open here, and you don't have to remove the glove box for that, but we removed it so we can gain more room and show you. There is one cover underneath, plastic cover, okay, this one here, that you need to go ahead and remove. It's super simple. The whole video guys, okay, the whole replacement video will be listed on Auto Repair guys. This is our main YouTube channel, approaching 100,000 subscribers, so thank you guys for the support. Now here underneath, okay, this is your heater, okay, that's your blower motor right there. Okay, let me grab it. Okay, right here. And this is where the resistor is located. It's right here. Those are the two wires for the blower motor resistor. I already have ours disconnected. So when you get a new one, okay, let me show you how it goes now. It's super simple. You cannot install it the wrong way, okay, or anything like that. All we have to do, just get everything out of the way, okay, and install the blower motor resistor, okay, like that. It goes underneath and then you just pull it out. It has only 2 screws that hold it in place. Okay, you can see one there, one right here, and those screws are Torx 15 screws. So those are the symptoms for a not working fan as it should, and that's how you guys fix it. Hopefully guys the video was helpful and we were able to save you money. We guys have more than 19,000 free repair videos on our YouTube channels. Check them out. We have videos that can save you thousands of dollars in future repairs. Thank you for watching and see you guys next time.